Hi everyone, hope you're having a fantastic week, and for those of you in the UK, I hope you had a lovely bank holiday yesterday. This week at Supermums, we are talking about Agile Project Management as one of the key skills to become a #1 Salesforce consultant. Now, Agile Project Management is a little bit of a book of worms, right? Because when you start looking into it, you find out that it's not just one method. There's loads of different methods that you can go along, and you go, what training do I do? How do I skill up in this? And so it's really a discipline in its own right, but there are lots of methods and different training courses you could take. So this week we delve into why Agile project management became the norm, why it's important to projects. This is really important because if you're working with Salesforce customers, you need to be able to train them in Agile project management because they need to understand the methodology. So a lot of the information I've shared with you today in the blog and the podcast this week is information that you can then share with your team and your customers to educate them in Agile project management too. But we also delve into which Agile project management methodology might suit you. And this really does depend on which job role you have within the Salesforce ecosystem, because there are different methodologies such as DSCM and Scrum, for example, and you might do one of those based on the type of job role that you're going to do now and in the future, because they have different roles. Fundamentally, they can fit together. It isn't necessarily like you do one or the other one and they're completely separate. The two kind of complement each other and can sit alongside each other. But do you know the difference? So that's what we're going to delve into on the podcast and blog this week to educate you on all of those different areas. If you are interested in upskilling in these areas, we are also running our consultancy skills course that goes live in October, on October the 4th. As part of that, we run weekly coaching and mentoring sessions. We run through really practical scenarios of your Salesforce projects and how all these consultancy skills really translate into everyday practical life, because it's great to read all the theories, but when you're applying it, you don't always get that sense. And actually, there can be challenges all the way along. I've certainly had these projects where, and we've seen projects in our consultancy where clients don't always want to get on board with Agile project management and don't understand it, and it can be quite an interesting journey to go on. And so you have to be quite bold as an Agile project management practitioner. You have to really understand what you're talking about and to be able to communicate that really clearly and concisely, and to stand up to customers, especially if they're wanting the 100 things in their wish list and they haven't got budget for all of that. How do you say no? And with Agile project management, it is the way that you can say no, but in a really considered and appropriate way that they too will understand. And so if you're one of those people that has the desire to always feel like you're pleasing the client and always saying yes, and you're struggling to kind of hold a project in time and budget because you're a people pleaser, then Agile project management might actually be the methodology that you need to kind of keep things on track that everybody can align to. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm open to any questions you've got. Please do reach out to me. If you like what you hear, then please do rate and review on those different channels. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, the last thing that we went live with last week, we did a bit of a soft launch around it, is we have these new peer study certification groups. At Supermums, we're very passionate about educating and motivating you to learn. And the reason why people choose the Supermums courses is because they like that guidance, that accountability, and that structure that we offer in our courses. It isn't just self-study, here you go, get on with it. We set like a program of learning every single week, and we meet with you each week to see how you're getting on and kind of keep you on track. And so people are asking us to do these peer study certification groups. So I'm very thankful to our mix of sponsors that have come together for this to help us launch these peer study groups. So it means that we can help each of our community launch and learn a new certification each month. I'm not getting my words right this week. So if you've got an appetite to learn a new certification, but you're struggling to motivate yourself, then please do check out the new peer study certification groups. You'll find all these links in the description of the post today, and we look forward to working with you. I hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.